ARM and Reddit, two relentless growth stocks set to soar in 2025 and beyond. Imagine investing in a company so dominant that its technology is practically everywhere, inside your smartphone, your car, and even AI-powered data centers. Now, imagine another company that has quietly become one of the most trusted sources of information on the internet, growing at a mind-blowing rate. What if I told you these two stocks could be among the best growth plays of the decade? Hi. In today's video, we're going to explore two relentless growth stocks, ARM Holdings, ARM, and Reddit RDDD, that could see explosive gains in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're looking for innovation, strong revenue potential, or market dominance, these stocks have it all. Welcome to the Finance Savvy. If you enjoy deep dives into high-growth stocks, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more updates and insights. Got questions? Feel free to reach out. Now, let's dive into the video. Stock number 1, ARM Holdings ARM, the invisible giant of tech. ARM is everywhere, literally. ARM Holdings might not be a household name like Apple or Nvidia, but its technology powers nearly every smartphone on the planet. In fact, ARM's chip architecture is the foundation for processors used in smartphones, smart TVs, Internet of Things IoT devices, in-vehicle infotainment and driver assistance systems, AI-powered servers, and cloud computing. Unlike companies like AMD or Intel, ARM doesn't manufacture its own chips. Instead, it licenses its chip architecture to the biggest tech giants, making it an indispensable part of the semiconductor industry. ARM stock is on fire. Since going public in 2023, ARM stock has skyrocketed, more than tripling from its IPO price. But with that growth comes an eye-watering valuation. ARM is trading at over 100 times forward earnings. Sounds risky, right? Well, here's why the long-term outlook still looks incredibly bullish. Why ARM's future is even bigger than its past. ARM has two major catalysts that could drive massive revenue growth in the years ahead. 1. Breaking into AI and high-performance computing. ARM's revenue isn't just tied to smartphone chips anymore. The company is making major moves into AI and cloud computing. It's licensing more advanced chip designs that power AI workloads, data centers, and high-performance computing. More complex chips equals higher royalty rates, which means huge revenue potential. 2. Raising royalty fees, a billion-dollar game changer. ARM started raising its royalty fees in 2019, aiming to generate an additional $1 billion annually. Considering analysts expect ARM to bring in just under $4 billion in revenue in 2025, that's a 25% revenue boost from royalties alone. Because ARM's technology is deeply embedded in the tech world, companies can't just walk away from using it. Even a company as powerful as Apple would need years of work to replace ARM's architecture, making ARM's business model incredibly strong. Should you invest in ARM? ARM's valuation is undeniably high, which means short-term volatility is likely. However, with its dominance in the chip industry, expansion into AI, and rising royalty revenue, ARM has the potential to keep climbing over the next decade. Stock number 2, Reddit RDDT, the internet's most valuable community. The secret weapon of internet users. Ever found yourself adding Reddit to the end of your Google searches? You're not alone. With Google's results cluttered with ads and SEO-optimized content, more and more users trust Reddit for real, authentic answers. This dynamic has turned Reddit into one of the most valuable social media platforms, not for entertainment, but for trusted information. Reddit's business model, the next big advertising powerhouse? Unlike Facebook or Instagram, Reddit isn't built around flashy influencer culture. It's built around discussion, expertise, and niche communities. This makes it a goldmine for advertisers looking to target specific, engaged audiences. And the numbers prove it. A. Revenue Q3 2024, $348.4 million, up 68% year-over-year. 2. Daily active users, DUs, grew 47% YOY. 3. Revenue per DU, up 14% YOY. Reddit is still in the early stages of monetization, meaning it has enormous room for growth. How big can Reddit get? Let's compare it to Meta. Meta generated over $12 in revenue per daily active user in Q3 2024. Reddit? Just $3.58 per user, meaning Reddit has massive room to increase revenue. Even if Reddit doubles its revenue per user, it would still be behind Meta's level, showing just how much growth potential remains. Reddit's biggest challenge: monetizing without losing users. The tricky part? Keeping Reddit's experience authentic while increasing ad revenue. If Reddit overloads its platform with ads, it risks driving away the very users who make it valuable. Striking that balance will be key. Should you invest in Reddit? At a valuation of over $30 billion, Reddit trades at a price-to-sales ratio of 25, which is extremely high. However, considering its rapid growth and untapped revenue potential, Reddit could become one of the most lucrative social media investments of the decade. Final thoughts. How does this connect to AMD and Lam Research? Now that we've explored ARM's dominance in chips and Reddit's advertising potential, let's take things a step further. If you're interested in high-growth tech plays, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, and Lam Research, LRCX, should also be on your radar. AMD is taking on Nvidia in AI chips, positioning itself for massive growth in the AI boom. Lam Research is a key player in semiconductor manufacturing, making it a crucial part of the chip supply chain. In an upcoming video, we'll break down how AMD and Lam Research are shaping the future of AI and semiconductor tech, so stay tuned. Conclusion. Are ARM and Reddit worth buying? Both ARM holdings, ARM and Reddit, RDT, are high-risk, high-reward growth stocks with huge upside potential. While their valuations are stretched, their dominance in chip design and trusted online communities makes them stocks to watch in 2025 and beyond. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Finance Savvy for more insights. See you in a few seconds. From ARM and Reddit to AMD and Lam Research, for explosive growth stocks for 2025 and beyond. Picture this: you invest in a stock today, and in just a few years, it skyrockets, giving you massive returns. That's the dream, right? But what if I told you there are 4 powerhouse stocks, ranging from AI to chipmaking, that could make that dream a reality? In a previous video, we explored how ARM holdings, ARM and Reddit, RDT, are shaking up the tech world. But today, we're taking it a step further, diving into 2 more high-growth stocks that are riding the AI wave: AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, and Lam Research, LRCX. Hi! In today's video, we're going to explore 4 relentless growth stocks, 2 from previous discussions a few seconds ago, set to soar in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're looking for AI dominance, semiconductor innovation, or a chance to profit from the biggest trends in tech, you won't want to miss this. Welcome to the Finance Savvy. If you love deep dives into high-growth stocks, make sure to subscribe for more updates and insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Now, let's dive into the video. Connecting the dots, from ARM and Reddit to AMD and Lam Research. In our last video, we covered ARM Holdings and Reddit, 2 companies that dominate in their respective fields. ARM's chip architecture is literally everywhere, from smartphones to AI servers, while Reddit is transforming into one of the internet's most trusted platforms for real user-driven information. But what happens when we shift our focus to companies that are at the core of the AI revolution? The ones actually building the chips and infrastructure that make AI possible. Enter AMD and Lam Research. These 2 companies are fueling the AI boom, and with just a couple $100, you could get in early on their growth. Now, let's break down why these stocks could be game changers for 2025 and beyond. Stock number 1, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. AI's next big player. AMD's role in the AI revolution. When people think of AI chips, they immediately think of Nvidia, and for good reason. But here's the thing: AMD is coming for Nvidia's throne. AMD server chips and AI-focused GPUs are poised to capture a massive share of the rapidly growing AI computing market. The company estimates its total addressable market TAM for data center chips is worth a staggering $500 billion. That's a huge opportunity. Why AMD stock is a bargain right now. AMD stock has had a rough ride lately, trading 45% below its previous high. But guess what? That's what we call a buying opportunity. Even though some of AMD's segments, like gaming and industrial chips, have struggled due to economic headwinds, its AI and server chip business is on fire. In Q3 2024, AMD's data center revenue soared 122% year-over-year. And this is just the beginning. AMD's secret weapon, high-memory AI chips. One of AMD's biggest advantages? Its AI chips are built with higher memory capacity, making them perfect for the next wave of AI, inferencing. Think of inferencing as AI's ability to think in real time, processing data instantly instead of waiting for large-scale training. As AI models become more complex, demand for high-memory chips will explode, and AMD is positioning itself as the go-to provider. AMD's growth potential. What analysts are saying. Analysts project AMD's earnings will grow 44% annually over the next few years. Yet, the stock is trading at a forward P/E ratio of just 25, right around the market average. For a company growing this fast, that's an absolute steal. Bottom line, AMD isn't just a strong AI play. It's one of the best AI value plays on the market right now. Stock number 2, Lam Research, LRCX, the AI gold rush supplier. Why Lam Research is critical to AI's future. You've heard the phrase, during a gold rush, sell the pickaxes. Well, that's exactly what Lam Research does. Except instead of pickaxes, they sell the critical equipment needed to manufacture AI chips. Lam provides cutting-edge semiconductor manufacturing tools to companies like TSMC, Samsung, and Intel. Without Lam, there are no AI chips. Lam Research, a profit machine. Here's the part that should excite every investor. Lam Research is insanely profitable. Over the last year, Lam generated $4 billion in net income on $15 billion in revenue. That's a 26% profit margin. Companies are paying top dollar for Lam's expertise because there aren't many alternatives. If you want to manufacture cutting-edge chips, you need Lam's technology. Why the stock is down, and why that's good news. Lam stock is down 26% from its peak. The reason? Concerns about the memory chip market. But here's what the market is missing. AI data centers need more memory than ever before. As demand for AI accelerates, so will demand for high-performance memory chips, which means big business for Lam Research. Lam's growth potential. What analysts are saying. Lam's earnings are projected to grow 16% annually over the next several years. And yet, the stock is trading at just 19 times forward earnings. A bargain for a high-margin company fueling AI innovation. Bottom line? Lam Research is the perfect AI infrastructure play. A picks and shovels stock that could quietly deliver massive gains. Final thoughts. How these 4 stocks fit together. So, let's recap. ARM Holdings, ARM, the chip architect. Its designs power everything from smartphones to AI servers. Reddit, RDDT, the internet's most trusted community with untapped monetization potential. AMD, the AI challenger, making high-memory GPUs that could rival Nvidia. Lam Research, LRCX, the supplier, providing the critical tools needed to manufacture AI chips. Together, these 4 stocks form a powerful investment strategy for the AI-driven future. If you're looking for high-growth opportunities in 2025 and beyond, these are stocks to keep on your radar. Closing thoughts and what's next? What's next in AI investing? In our next video, we'll take a deep dive into the biggest semiconductor trends for 2025, including how Nvidia, Intel, and TSMC fit into the picture. So, if you're interested in staying ahead of the market, make sure to subscribe. Again, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Finance Savvy for more insights. Got questions? Feel free to reach out. We'd love to help. See you in the next one.